How to update WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to discuss how we can update WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to update WhatsApp, it is very easy to do so. Now you might just want to update because you might be facing some type of bugs. So in order to do this, you just have to open up your Play Store or your App Store, depending upon whether you use iOS or Android. In the search box, just type in WhatsApp and you should be able to see the WhatsApp application. Now if you see the update button instead of open, it does mean that WhatsApp requires an update. So tap the update option in order to update the WhatsApp application to the latest version. But if you see open instead of update, it means that WhatsApp is already updated to the latest version. So in that case, you don't have to do anything because it is already updated. And this way you can update WhatsApp. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.